on the retail park from a far away view, as currently it is not safe for us to go on the retail park. Now, what we do know at this moment of time is the incident started to happen during the midday, in which the boat started to sink underwater. An evacuation happened on the boat where any staff was taken off as a precaution and for safety, and now currently the area is being cordoned off. So I am just going to quickly give you the insight of what is at the scene right now. So currently part of the boardwalk where the Miller & Carter boat resides at is currently cordoned off. So the side closest to Miller & Carter is currently being closed off to the public. However, on the other side, where the other entrance of restaurant